Has artificial intelligence begun to affect you and me? Well, perhaps it has, because it has begun to take our jobs. Most of the food delivery apps which we normally use have now begun to use artificial intelligence, and in effect it has begun to replace humans with machines. A very key question that as we approach towards the future, what exactly does the customer want? Zomato has already begun to use AI. In fact, they have a feature of AI and they have replaced 600 people right now from job.
As far as customer service is concerned, I don't think that it can replace really human.
Human based, of course.
No, not at all.
But that's what is happening.
I prefer to talk to you than to talk to a robot.
I would like to use human.
Right now, I will be preferring it having a reporter who is human.
I should prefer to talk to a human instead of any machine.
I'll be happy dealing with a human when compared to a machine.
I would be feeling more comfortable with dealing with a human.
Whether you are at a big chain like McDonald's or a small tapri wala in a village, ultimately human lives are what are going to be affected by this whole thing.
Human based.
Why?
Because इससे नौकरियां जा सकती हैं यार. AI बेस्ड नौकरियां जाएंगी, बट हमारे देश में पॉपुलेशन इतनी है कि हमारे को AI का कम यूज़ करना चाहिए.
As the key question rages that will machines ultimately overtake humans, when we spoke to people over here, what they spoke to us was that they still give a lot of credence to emotions than practicality. And perhaps this is going to be the key part, that will emotions continue to remain firm, or will practicality, technology or effectiveness, which is being perceived that machines provide much better than humans, is going to be taking over.